Hi, I'm Rachel. I'm the owner of Home Haven, a brick-and-mortar boutique that sells furniture and home decor. We source all of our mid-century furniture and unique decor items wholesale from our suppliers. Finding reputable vendors to work with is super important for us. I want to make sure we're working with people that I can trust. I expect my B2B shopping experience to feel personalized. I look for suppliers that offer tailored services like product recommendations based on past purchases and loyalty discounts. I'm in the store every day, talking to my customers, so I don't have time to sit on the phone speaking to sales reps or sift through complicated websites. Being able to place orders and manage my account on my own time has been a game changer for me. I can even add additional buyers and set their level of permissions. I place a lot of large order volumes, so I need to be sure that I'm purchasing from a reputable supplier. A secure checkout that safely stores my information is a must. If you're a B2B supplier looking to work with buyers like me, make sure that a tailored experience, efficient order processing, trust, and security are top of mind.